Enjoy the presentation tour. This property is represented by Christina Levo. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and 1 half bathroom in this spacious 2,337 square foot property. To arrange a time to stop by and view this property, or if you would like more information, please contact Christina Levo. Thank you for your interest in this property and enjoy the presentation tour.